Hey, crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I appreciate you dropping in for just a few minutes to see what I think about Lynn's soft square box, the 25-day Advent box over at Soft Squares. So today is actually a pretty hefty package. So I'm feeling a case and some things in there because, yes, I'm one of those that like to try to guess a little bit about what's inside, but I definitely am not going to be able to do that. I do love this paper though. Look how cute and adorable those snowmen are. So I do like the bag and wrapping that she used. And I've appreciated that each one is definitely kind of hand wrapped, put together, and each one is a little unique. So let's see what she brought to us. And I do appreciate that she put the note in every day. This one says B box day 11. This is a handy box to keep in your sewing room. Quilters use a lot of tools, and these are the tools to keep everything working. So let's see what she says, because what I think is interesting is she only valued this at $12. And so when I felt the weight and heft of this, I was like, I would have thought that would have been a lot more than $12. But that's what she's estimated the retail value of this at. And I'm telling you, it's got some real weight behind it. Oh wow! So it is a, of course, pink tool set for us. But I will tell you, I do kind of appreciate having this. This is really cool. So let's go through and let's look at what's in there. So, uh-oh, give me just a second, guys. Let's see if I can get that back in the way it's supposed to be, so I can hold it up. So it really is nice that it comes with a tape measure, comes with electrical tape, comes with Allen wrenches, which some of our machines require. It does have a nice set of pliers. It does have a little hammer. It does have a screwdriver, which I'm betting changes from flathead to Phillips, and then all the different other tools, right? So all the different hexagons and all the stars and all that you need. So I think this is pretty adorable. Wish it was lavender or purple, but the pink works fine for me. I'm not one of those big judges, and I have to worry about color combinations. But I think this is really cool, and I think that was very considerate and very insightful to the fact that one of the things that drives me nuts is my Jukis really do require me to use a screwdriver and that to change out needles. This poor Jake here, in order to get down in here to clean out, the Juki is way behind so they require me to get a screwdriver out to unscrew the plate and all that. And that may be just part of their industrial mindset, but that's fine. But I also have to sometimes look and hunt, even though I usually try to keep my Juki stuff pretty close together. But this is cool. I really like this. So I think this was an awesome gift. It's nice that she thought about that and actually put that together as part of our package. So again, Lynn's done a pretty amazing job. I am very happy with it. I probably would have valued this at a little bit more than $12, but you know what? No telling where she got it and how she did it. And with that said, pretty cool gift. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for listening to me rattle on just a few minutes. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for sharing a part of your day with me. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.